Jamaica, how you make Nigeria beat you in a football match?
You know what then can't beat we in a door? Cooking. So me and my friend link up and say we're gonna do a little competition. Nigerian food or Jamaican
We
food.
never have all the ingredients, so we say we are gonna go to a store cause him say my make
Dun and pepper stew.
I'm making curry chicken.
Me say when me hear dun, I saw nice meal me I go get with some sweet potato. No say boy make tin mackerel, but in a feed them with
Pepper stew. Same how we cut up a sweet pepper, onion and throw it in a tin mackerel.
Man make dirty girl come give
Goes to show we're all connected by food. We just make it a different way and the name just change. Anyways, me decide so me not go measure with my ancestors. Yeah man, a competition now. Me no want no safi rice. Cause me have a little dirty habit of making pudding rice. And me one loves to tattoo per man and like tell me his hands were not given. Focus.
You know, said this when me realize the man I make dirty girl come give me. But you know what me I go give me? I go give me sweet potato them because them did bad. They were so addicting. I was just munching on them while we cooked.
You didn't have to get the frozen fish. It comes in a tin.
Hey, me say boy, I really think I'm gonna win, you know. Watch presentation. Your food don't bad, get a 6 out of 10. But guys, watch him fall in love with me through my cooking. Watch this.
Where you going? When the chicken just breaks off the bones. The mackerel. That's good. You want. Yeah, you want. I give it to you.
Of course, because Jamaican food is the best food.